I'm Cliff. My company's Energy Wide. I've been around for about 14 years now. We're a Victorian-based business. Andreas came to us, already had about 2 kilowatt of solar on his roof. It was pretty redundant old tech. So we've removed that and we've installed 8.8 kilowatts of PV. The Whispr, we've got 13.4 kilowatt hours of battery storage there. This is designed basically to allow Andreas to be independent of the grid. Probably about 90% of the time. The unit's capable of punching out 7 kilowatts of energy at any time, whether it's on grid, off grid. So this is my first experience with installing Whispr, and I found it very intuitive, very easy to install, commissioning straightforward, very simple. The great thing about the system is it's integrated with the backup, so if the grid goes down, still going to have power to the essential circuits that he needs. So he gets energy security, reliability. I'd say it'd probably offset 90% of his bill. The ability to be using the full 7 kilowatts to discharge to their house, and you still can charge with another 2 kilowatt directly from the roof. You're not just running the house or charging the batteries, you can do a bit of both. Being PowerPlus is where I have the confidence. I know it's a company that is going to back their product, so really impressed with the system so far.